Hello again from our retail corner with a very interesting question. How can technology support staff members to provide click and collect services efficiently?
Here we have an exciting new solution which shows an end-to-end user experience from placing an order online through to a staff member picking produce, a refrigerated locker for out-of-hours collection that's convenient to the user, as well as click and collect in-store. So they've just placed the order online, they've got their order number, the location, as well as their password only for them to access. That's then come to me. I'm a staff member. I'm now going to use a rugged N1 device that's lightweight and rugged. You can wear it as a wearable, you can have it in your pocket with a headset. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to show you on loudspeaker. So let's get into it. So,
go to aisle 2,
pick list.
location C3, pick 1.
It wants me to pick up one avocado. 1 okay.
Go to aisle 1, location B1, pick 4.
It wants me to pick up 4 apples. 4 okay.
Go to aisle 1, location B2, pick 1.
Now it wants me to pick up 1 strawberry. 2 okay.
Too many items picked.
That's too many items. So 1 okay.
Pick list complete.
Pick list complete. Now that's been sent to the locker ready for collection. Now let's talk about the click and collect.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our retail insights in our Customer Experience Center here in Munich. Please feel free to book a face-to-face tour with us. You will find the link below.